Casey Novak?
Yes?
Rebecca Balthus. Kevin Walker's legal aid attorney. Your boss order you to try my client?
No, that was my decision, but the district attorney did sign off on it.
Waste of time and money. Kevin's a lunatic.
Your client kidnapped a 5-year-old boy, murdered a man, and almost killed another who tried to stop him.
And a jury will
He stalked Adam Forbes for months. He took photographs to help plan the kidnapping. He knew what he was doing was wrong. He tied the boy up and consciously tried to elude the police.
Because a bunch of little men in his head told him to. We're pleading insanity. You'll get the psych records. Read them.
Not good enough. I want him examined by our psychiatrist.
Thank you.
Well, you got some pop in that bat.
Bet you didn't come all the way here to watch me swing.
I need you to plead Kevin Walker out.
Why is that?
I can't tell you.
Oh, well, I don't really need to know, do I?
You're an officer of the court.
And you don't want whatever happened going on the record. I don't know your detectives, and I don't know you.
When you worked felonies, you had a different cop every case, right?
Yeah, so?
Special victims, it's just us. We gotta trust each other.
You're asking for a hell of a lot of trust.
Either way, Kevin Walker goes someplace where he can't hurt anybody. You take him to trial, a good detective loses his credibility as a cop. He'll never be able to testify in court again. His only choices will be to quit or finish his career in the property clerk's office.
What this detective did was necessary.
Under the circumstances, I can't say I would have done any different.
Can you assure me the defendant wasn't hurt and I'm not going to get my ass kicked in court on a technicality?
Yes.
I kidnapped Adam Forbes because I thought he was my son, Tate. I stabbed Lester Hale and Amelia Vasquez because I was afraid they would take him away. I'm a paranoid schizophrenic and was not medicated at the time. And though I am not being held legally accountable for my actions, I feel completely responsible for them. You can never know how sorry I am for all the harm I've caused.
Are the people satisfied the requirements of the plea agreement have been met?
We are, Your Honor.
The defendant will rise. Kevin James Walker, on the counts of second-degree murder, attempted murder, and kidnapping, I'm entering a plea of not guilty by reason of mental disease or defect. I order you remanded to the custody of the Commissioner of Mental Health until such
Mental
time...
health? You can't send me back there.
Kevin, take
Your Honor, you can't send me back
Please
there.
be
They'll
quiet,
kill me.
Mr. Walker. Another word and I'll have you removed.
They will murder me, Your Honor, if you
Remove
send
the
me back there,
defendant.
just like they murdered Martha. No, no, no! No, Your Honor, listen to me! No, this is you! This is you did this! They sent you to shut me up so I wouldn't talk about Martha! Don't let them kill me! Don't let them kill me like they killed Martha! Don't send me back there, please don't send me!
What the hell was Kevin talking about?
I have no idea.
So it has nothing to do with whatever you got me to cover up?
I'm not covering up anything.
Put my ass on the line for you when I pled Kevin out. And now he's lucid, screaming about someone killing Martha.
Well, I'm telling you, I don't know who this Martha is.
You better find out. If there's been another murder in this case, I am holding you responsible, and your dirty little secret's going on the record.
No, Kevin Walker was gone.
Your administrator's gonna testify that you ordered her to keep Kevin on the books so you could get his money from the state. Those people are no longer your own personal cash cows.
That's enough. You think you have a case? Charge him so we can make bail.
Fine.
What the hell is this?
Randall Haber, you're now under arrest for the murders of Lester Hale and Martha Davis.
Murder? Martha Davis committed suicide.
We exhumed her body. She died of severe heat stroke.
Because you told them not to turn on her air conditioning.
A jury's gonna believe him? He murdered that grocer in cold blood.
Which only happened because you withheld his medication and kicked him out on the street. That makes you responsible for Lester Hale's death.
Okay. One count of man two with a sentencing
Are
recommendation.
you crazy? I'm not making... He doesn't know what he heard. He's a mental patient.
He's back on his medication. He's perfectly lucid, and he's our star witness. 2 counts, man 1, concurrent. He does his 15.
15 years?
That, or a jury can sentence you to 25 to life. It's your choice.
Deal.